Hey guys, Nicholas Trades here with a quick market update and what is on your watch list. Before we get started, I want to quickly hit the disclaimer. Everything that I am providing here content-wise is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. So now let's jump right into the markets. SPY weekly looking really good. If we zoom in, you can see we broke above 2021 highs and we've held. Looks really strong here and it continues to creep higher. We are up 0.04% or 22 cents today. Bitcoin looking fantastic. It broke above 45,000 and has continued to creep up, so we'll see if we get a 49,000 retest, but definitely looks strong right here. We will see where this concludes, but definitely looks like momentum is moving to the upside with Bitcoin. The US dollar is up by 0.04% right now. You see a strong reversal off of 100 up to 104. We will see if we go retest 105. I think we're going to see 105 rejection here soon, but time will tell. US 10-year down a little bit, relatively sideways over the last couple weeks, and even the last couple days, not too much movement outside of the first of the month. So jumping into the individual names I want to cover, we're going to start with Coinbase. The weekly chart looking really good. We're above the decade VWAP and yearly VWAP. The monthly VWAP, however, we are under, which makes sense just because of the sell-off that we saw over the last couple weeks, and now we're in this 115, 130 range. If we see a 120 retest, I will probably be interested. I like this level here. It's definitely prior resistance here, here, and here that became support. So we can throw a line kind of in the sand. You can see broke, tested it, broke, and now it's tested it. So if this holds, I think it's probably a good area for entry. So we'll see where that resolves. Jumping to ARK, I definitely like the base that's forming in ARK here. You can see we have a beautiful base forming since 2022, just kind of trading sideways in this nice range, and we are slowly testing higher and higher. The lowest low is here, higher low, possible higher low as well. So definitely probably going to see this move up to 58 in the next couple months, and then maybe we break out higher. So ARK is definitely on the watch list. DraftKings. This one resolved relatively quick. You can see a base formed, it broke up, and then continues to creep up over. So it definitely looks like earnings moves this stock a gap up here, up, retest, and earnings is on the way again. So we will see where that ends up going, but it's definitely at a critical level when you look at the daily and the weekly. You can see a lot of activity is in this range right here. So we will see if DraftKings probably retest 39. Maybe it's a possible entry, but I think ideally you'd want to see the 32s to 35 range kind of hold this line that I'm seeing there. If we get rid of this base, it kind of makes more sense. Hold that trend if possible. The last name I would like to cover is PLTR, Planeteer Technologies. Absolute monster base resolved higher. Looks great here, and if we zoom in, you can see just completely fantastic moves from earnings. So earnings here broke up all the way out. Missed earnings, kind of came back down, but never retested the yearly VWAP. Earnings again, and then this monster set of earnings is what broke us out. So trend is still strong and moving higher. We will continue to see where it goes. I think we might hit some resistance around this 27 to 30 range, but you know, who can tell? We will find out. Time will let us know. But yeah, definitely on the watch list. I like it. I think it's a strong name and it's everywhere. People seem to love the stock. And that will wrap it for today. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.